Welcome back to the pink envelope. I have another fashion box for you. This is a brand new to my channel fashion box. I actually was playing on one of my favorite influencers, Georgia Sunshine. She's really cute. I was playing on her site, looking through, and she has tried them on several times. I was like, well, I want to be a part of things. I want to try them. It's a real stylist. They don't use like bots. Like, it's an actual small business called, I think, JB and Me, who creates the JB Style Box. And I was like, I'm about that. I am about hands-on styling. And so I just ordered a box really quickly and then started researching it more and became a little, I don't know. Let me tell you why. So I paid a $20 style fee for the box. No big deal. That's really normal. I didn't find out till afterwards that the $20 style fee goes towards a purchase of $50 or more. So if I don't buy more than $50 out of this box, they keep my $20 style fee. Okay, not the funnest rule, but they're small business, they're hands-on stylists. I can work with that. The box did ship for free, so that's gonna cover the shipping cost, or some of it at least. But then I found out if you do not keep 3 or more items, they charge you to return the box. So I emailed my personal stylist. Her name is Amy. She has been amazing, super great on communication, super hands-on. And she said for me to return my box to Holland, Michigan, where they're located, is $17. So if this box doesn't work out for me for any reason, I lose $37 and I have nothing to show for it. And that makes me sketchy because all of the rest of the boxes I've featured, Wantable, Tryon, Front Door Fashion, I love me Front Door Fashion, I don't walk away in the negative. I choose not to keep it. They may keep my styling fee, or I could at least keep one item out of the box in exchange for the style fee. Like, I literally very easily could be out nearly $40. And so then I kind of got like shaky in my boots. And so, right, I haven't looked. I may love the whole box and this whole thing might be from you. But if you're thinking about moving in and trying JB's Style Box, these are great things to know. I did ask my stylist what their average price point was, and she said they didn't really have one. I did a lot of searching. They don't have like a traditional FAQ, so it took a lot of searching, and it looks like they try to customize the style point to you. So according to the video on their website and other influencers I watch, you could say my average price point is $25, $30, and they will accept it. I don't know what I put. I don't remember what I put. They do have a really good style quiz, so that does help. So yeah, if you do use my name, Samantha Foster, so you like type out Samantha Foster like this, you do get 20% off your box. So if you want to give it a try, that will help to have that 20% off. There are other things I want to share about the box, but I want to get into it. Like, I want to open it. So let's throw it open, get an outfit on, and we can chat more. Okay, that's cute. Can y'all see? It's got some little like raffia ribbon and blue tissue paper, so you can tell it's like truly been like hand pulled together for me. And then on top it says your box has arrived, and it talks about how to try on your outfits. You get 5 days to decide what's best for you. That's normal with style subscription boxes. $20 style fees apply to if you keep over $50. And if you keep 3 or more items, the return shipping is covered. Otherwise, they're also gonna charge you for shipping. That like seriously stresses me out. I do fashion boxes and fashion subscription boxes because it's so easy. Like, it takes the stress away. This one kind of stressing me. Oh, look, there is a fully handwritten note from my stylist who I've talked to. Here she just talks about some of the items in the box, and she writes a couple of items in their price. So I don't know, maybe if they don't have price tags on them. But yeah, she just kind of tells me about what she built out in the box. I did the same thing to this box as I did to all my other boxes. I just wrote, I need stuff. I don't know what I need. I don't know what I want. My wardrobe needs a refresh though. Not a lot of help. Now, all of my other boxes have worked with me before, so they have a history. Poor Amy has not worked with me before, so she just gotta like, I don't know, send me stuff. I think maybe I tried to give her a little bit more to work with, but she didn't get a lot to work with because I just was in one of those moods. Here is the postage that I can put on the box. Of course, it's ready to ship and go. It looks like it's USPS. I guess they will back charge my credit card if I don't keep the items. I don't know. I didn't ask, and I probably should have. What if I just opt to not use that shipping label and ship it back? Because I ship all the time. What if I just use my shipping company? What if it's cheaper? And I didn't ask if that's like allowed or not. If I find that out, I'll put a pop-up or put some notes below. On here is the invoice, and it does reflect my 20% off discount because I signed up under Georgia Sunshine. And it has 6 items in here for $539, and then I have the 20% off. Oh, there are 2 copies. That's great. So you keep one, they keep one. That's nice. How many times do I tell you guys, snap a picture with your cell phone? And then legit, every single outfit in here has a photo that they took of the outfit. So this one says, also use the white cardi. So I'm guessing this particular outfit can mix and match with another item in the box. This outfit says the cardi goes with everything, and then there's the outfit, and there's one for every one of these. So if you've hung around here, you know that when I find an outfit I like, the very first thing I do is snap a photo and save it into my photos on my cell phone on an album, so I can always reference back and get dressed easy. That's pretty cool. Okay, now we're really gonna get an outfit on. Okay, this is the first outfit. Jacket, shirt, pants, all were in the box. The shoes that she recommended as a, like, this is the shoe I recommend you pair this with, I actually own the exact shoe, so that worked out well. Not my style. I am super comfortable. Like, this outfit feels amazing. Also, I would like to say, she found pants that fit my waist. That doesn't happen. Look at these things. Like, they make my hiney look good. They fit my waist. They feel amazing. They're the pull-on Spanx pants, basically like the adult version of like infant pants. I love it. I am having a hard time as a girl who is like borderline millennial. Like, I still do this side part. Skinny jeans are my jam. This new cut is. I don't know, I don't like it on me. I like it on other people. What do y'all think? Speak into me, speak into me and tell me, do I need to just get over it? This is actually a really cute cut for pants. Or am I, yeah, it's okay. Like, this is just not my jam. Although I feel very industrial and very efficient right now, I do not feel cute, and I feel like I'm my mom. Which is funny. I legit wrote on my notes as I was like deep diving studying JB and me. As I went to YouTube and their Instagram and seeing who is on their Instagram versus who unboxing their clothes, I was super confused. Almost everyone who is showing the clothes on YouTube is over 40 fashion. So they're in their 40s or 50s, and I guess I even did see some in their 60s. However, when you look at the clothes and the brands that they carry, which were listed as Billabong, Z Supply, and others like that, those are definitely under 40 brands. And if you look at their website, there's a couple of girls on there, and they're like super chic and cool looking, like super hip. And so I honestly still don't know like what their target age is. Maybe like the budget, they boast all budgets and all ages. I feel like that's really hard to do well. If you do everything, how do you do one thing well? But we'll learn as we watch and stuff, and y'all can go watch those other influencers I mentioned to see if this is a match. But yeah, I'm a little bit struggling on style. This jacket is $109. It's a Liverpool. So that's a Stitch Fix brand. Like, that's, you know, that's a young brand in my opinion. I just don't like it. Price point super reasonable for the jacket. This is also Liverpool. This shirt is $89. Once again, I feel like this shirt looks Stitch Fix. Like, oh my gosh. I'm having a moment right here on camera. Y'all know I don't like Stitch Fix. If you've been around here at all, you know I started Stitch Fix like 7 years ago, was a big fan, but as they have failed to grow, they've lost me as a customer. And I now like can't stand their stuff. This looks very Stitch Fix. So that's probably why it's not a match for me. And in the Spanx pants, I wear all of the Spanx pants. These are amazing, just not my style. These are, I think, $128. It's not on the tag here. Oh, yes it is, I'm an idiot. $128 for the crop wide leg almond pant. Y'all tell me about the pant. Do I need to get over it and learn to like it or not? Do you front tuck? I always feel weird. Oh, that makes it a little bit better. I just don't know how I feel. Okay, here's the next look. And I have to say, I love this so much more. Like I feel more in my own skin with this. I still would not say this defines my style. I do not wear shirts that's cut short. I think I need to learn to wear them. They're super on trend right now. I just like longer things, but I feel like this is cuter, a little more hip. And so what she did is that same card that the outfit I just had on, she wrote at the bottom, use the white cardi. So I just went and put this set on and boom, new outfit. Do love the mixing and matching. That's really great. This white cardigan set is $79. So it comes with this cardigan, which actually is a really great long sleeve that you can scrunch up. And it's very breathable. It's very lightweight, super comfortable. It's not real soft. It's actually kind of coarse, but not in a bad way, if that makes sense. And here's what the tank underneath looks like. Just a basic tank. I will be honest, I do not have any form of a traditional ball on. I have like sticky boobies on, which I wouldn't normally wear. But when I'm changing clothes with y'all back to back, it's easier. So just to kind of give you an idea, I don't know if it shows bra lines or not, but here's this guy. Wonder if I should try this cardigan set on with my favorite skinny jeans. Let me throw on my skinny jeans inside, part my hair. Just kidding, I'm not gonna go that far, but let me just go see. What do we think now that I Samantha-ized it? I put on my favorite sandals, I put on one of my favorite pair of jeans. Do we think this is a little more me now? Is it cute? A little bit of a mix of what is trending right now and popular, but still me. What are your thoughts? What did we say this was how much dollars? $79 for the set, that's fair. Maybe, yeah, that's fair. It feels a little high, but here's what you do. I tell y'all this all the time. Don't buy it if you don't love it. So that's what I'm gonna have to settle out and decide on. Do I love it? Do I love that it's stretching my look? It's making me not look the same as I always look. Or is it stretching me too far and I'm never gonna pick it up and wear it so that it's just a waste of $80? Things to noodle when you're shopping. Y'all please vote and let me know. I value y'all's feedback so much. Okay, let me shimmy over and throw on the next look she created. Here's the next outfit she created. It is a gray dress that is like super, super soft. And that same white cardigan. Once again, she's doing a great job of making everything multi-purpose. I put on the tennis shoes that she recommended I put on. Although cute, not my style. So let me take this off. I don't wear dresses like this because I am way too lazy to hold my stomach in like I am with you guys right now. This looks cute. Oh yeah, so great. But in real life during the day, I'm like this. This is what I look like. And I don't want to have to do this the whole time I'm wearing the dress to make sure my poochies isn't showing. Super, super soft. Let's see how much this dress is. This dress is $69, very reasonable price for this dress. I did a trunk club haul a few months back and they sent a dress just like this and it was the same price. So it's on par. Oh, I have one more top and that's it. The rest of these cards are how to mix and match your items, which once again, that is awesome. If you like your items, since I'm not like really loving my items, I now know that maybe the cardigan's a fit. I do not like that green jacket. I do not like that pink shirt, and I do not like that pants. So 3 of the items are gone. One of them I like, and I have one more to try on, which automatically means I'm not gonna keep 3 items, so I'm gonna owe them nearly $20 for shipping. I understand as a small business, they have to do what they have to do to make themselves sustainable and profitable. But that doesn't mean it's a match for everyone. And I can't say that this type of stress is a match for me. Like I feel like I'm not even smiling as much as I normally do in these videos because I'm like running numbers and feeling the pressure to make sure everything balanced and it's not a fun try on curated experience. I'm like literally like, okay, I can be out $40 or I can figure out how to be out maybe 40, but I get to keep 3 things. I don't like doing that kind of math. I don't want to have to do it. So let's get the last shirt on, take a peek. I'm not gonna worry about showing you every single mix and match that she recommended. Like she recommended putting the denim jacket with this to create another look. Then of course I showed you the cardigan with the khakis was a look. Let me go get this other shirt or dress that's over here because it's completely opposite of this and try it on for you. Okay, the last item was actually a dress, not a shirt. And as you can see, it's like super opposite and a super fun print. Unfortunately, this is the color palette that I marked do not send me. I said, do not send me yellows. Yellows make me turn jaundiced and wash me out. And she sent a primarily yellow dress. So not a fan. I feel really washed out. We also talked about this in the front door fashion haul. I don't wear square necks because of my melanoma scar right here. It emphasizes that when people walk up, they have a tendency to look right here at this big scar. And so I typically only wear things that come up higher or in a V-neck fashion so that my scars are covered. So where I am at now is I don't think JB Style Box is a match for me. I now have to do the math. Luckily, the cardigan is over $50. So if I choose to keep that $80 cardigan, it will only cost me $60 because I'm gonna get my style fee back because I spent over $50. However, I will still have to spend the $50 to get the cardigan plus an additional $17 something to ship the box back. The math just doesn't work for me. Not when Trendsend or Ever Eve or Trunk Club or Front Door Fashion, which are all boxes I love. They really do a good job with hands-on styling. Those are just a better match for me. At best, I have a style free risk. I don't even use Daily Look. Remember, we've gone through this with Daily Look because their style fee is $40 and then they overly mark up their clothes. You have to find the boxes that are a match for you and stick with them. I would say I'm probably, unless something random happens, not gonna feature JB Style anymore because it's not my style. But if you wanna go check out Georgia Sunshine, I think Little Box of Happy, those are two influencers that are wonderful women that I believe have multiple JB and Style boxes. Don't just take my word for it. Do a little research, bounce to those women who we love and trust. And then if you like it, pull the trigger. If you don't worry. I'm about to toss you a whole lot more women's clothing boxes that do not have any shipping fees and do not have style fee exceptions and rules. Okay, that's a wrap. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like sweating. That was like stressful for me. I don't ever like saying I don't like a box, although in my line of work, that's a need. I definitely don't like saying I don't like a box and then spending nearly $40 for nothing. That's really like icing on the cake. And I guess I could reach out if I were more interested. I'd reach out and be like, hey, listen, I said don't send yellow and you sent yellow, and I said don't send, and see if I could maybe get a new box sent, but I'm just not interested. JB Style's not a match for me. However, if you are a JB Style person, comment below. Tell us if you tried them and you don't like it. Tell us if you tried them and you love them. Be like, hey Sam, okay, that's your thoughts. I love them. Put it down below. It really does help other people know what to do. If you want to try them, you can use my name, Samantha Foster, to get 20% off, just like I use Georgia Sunshine's. Okay, y'all. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, we are in fashion haul time. I'm tossing so many boxes your way. I'm looking at 2 more right now sitting right there that I'm about to unbox with you guys. So feel free to use the coupons and get the order of the boxes and try them all. But if you're not in love with the box, don't give them a try because I'm gonna have a new one for you to check out soon. I hope that you have an amazing day. And if you're subscribed to the channel, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all. So I'd spend $61 right now, another $61, and have the cardigan. Or I can send the whole box back and I'll spend $17 more. I think that's what I need to do. I don't love the cardigan and they haven't made it worth keeping it. And yeah, right? Okay. What a massive bummer. Like, it almost seems not fair because I said, do not send me yellow, and they sent yellow. But then I'm in trouble for not, I don't know. Okay. Makes me sad. It makes me so sad.